Okay, here we are, about 10 days old, and I said this is a picture perfect. Picture perfect. Everybody is content. Everybody is clean. I don't know if they smell good, but they will. So I put some wipe them around, and we eating with mommy. Mommy is waiting for her midday breakfast, brunch. Iris, are you waiting for? You stay. Are you want your breakfast? She wants a brunch. You want your brunch? Yes. Well, they're all very healthy. They gain a lot of weight. They should be about a pound now. Maybe less. Oh, we have one fighting for life here. Where are you, baby? Yeah, voilà, they are. Very content. Some eating, some don't. Very good. Good job, Iris. And she has... Oh, look at that. Come in. Oh, here is your little head. Stay, Iris. Oh, they're kissing each other. Kiss, kiss, kiss. I love you. I love you. Yes, you're loving me too. And this one here. There's another one. He has his head, I don't know where. And the other one who's looking for I don't know what. Action. Action. Oh, good mommy. Oh, yeah. Because I mentioned these things, maybe? No, they don't. Et voilà. Yeah, good mommy. Yeah. Yeah. Clean that puppy. Oh my gosh. It's a power washing she's doing. Her tongue is like a power washer. Be careful. Oh, baby. I think they prefer the wipe. Very efficient, Jace. Okay. They have their nap. Oh, take position. We have action here. Yeah. Voila. Perfect picture for commercial. Yeah, Iris. Good job. Good job, girl. Yeah, I'm happy.